I have unfortunate news. There has been a death in the family. My vibratory roller has died. To tell the story proper, I guess I should give you some backstory. That is my vibratory roller. I know you're probably thinking, what is that old rusty pile of junk? Listen, I pulled this thing out of a field about 3 years ago, and it was so grown up in trees that I couldn't even use a chainsaw to get the one tree out. I actually had to burn it out with a torch. So I drug it home. I had to go completely through the motor and the centrifugal clutch on it and stuff. It's got an old Wisconsin gas burner on it. But it actually ran really well when I was done. I had to put some parts in it, but nothing too major. And I ran it for a good year or so. I've used it quite a few times and it worked really well. So I let it sit though. I parked it and I needed it last week, and I drug it out to the job I was working on, and it pretty much just fired right up after sitting for about a year. So I was using it for a while, and then all of a sudden the motor changed sounds, and I'll show you what happened here. Now, of course, I was a little irritated because I was right in the middle of needing this thing on a job. So, just with the dead weight of the roller alone, it probably weighs 5,000 or 6,000 pounds. So, I had to pretty much roll it all just with dead weight, but it did the job. It finished it out. But the thing was still running, but the motor's pretty much frazzled. I looked up the parts, and they're just outrageous what they want for cylinder heads, and I don't know what caused it, but both cylinder heads have heated and warped and cracked, and I don't know if it ran too lean or what. But point is, I do love this roller because, as you can see, it's got these hydraulic drop wheels on each side and a self-contained hydraulic unit back there, and it just tows behind your truck. You don't have to put it on a trailer if you do not want to. You can just have those wheels drop down and hook to the back of your pickup, and boom, you're off to the job. So I like this thing. I want to fix it. So I need to find a new motor, and that is where the next video is going to be leading us. But anyway, I'm pretty sure I know where there's a motor sitting that'll work for this thing, and it's going to be pretty cool. Make sure you guys subscribe to Diesel Creek, and you can stay tuned so you can see the video. We're going to get this thing back to rolling. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out.